Hey friends, Lonsberry here for Woodford Bros. Now, the thing we need to remember about these good folks is that they are the basement experts. Basement experts. They won't do your roof, they won't check your gutter, they won't build you a new kitchen, but they will make sure that your basement, whatever its need, is taken care of. Contact them at basementbrothersradio.com. What are some examples? Well, an example might be that your basement leaks, or that your basement is settled and things are a little uneven now. Maybe even the walls in your basement are heaving. Maybe it's wet, smells like mildew. Maybe it's unfinished and you want it to be finished. Well, good news, because you've got good friends at Woodford Brothers. BasementBrothersRadio.com is how you get your basement fixed. If your house has got a good foundation, things are going to be great, and you get that at Woodford Brothers. BasementBrothersRadio.com. Hey friends, Lonsberry here for Woodford Brothers. Woodford Brothers are the basement experts. I live in a house built in 1840. And about half of the basement is from the original construction. So it's these big giant field stones that are laid on top of one another. They had some kind of mortar in between them. And then two other walls put in sometime since, and it's nice cement or concrete or whatever the heck that is. But it gets a little cattywampus. That's when you call Woodford Brothers. Contact them at basementbrothersradio.com. If you notice like the windows are a little jamming or the door won't quite close, and maybe because your basement is settled, and that's something that can be fixed. If there's a musty smell in your basement, that's going to get all up through your house carrying that mildew and mold. That's no good. That can be fixed by Woodford Brothers at basementbrothersradio.com. Or even if you have concerns about radon, they take care of that. If you've got a flooded basement, they take care of that. If you've got an unfinished basement you'd like turned into a room, they'll also do that. They are all things basement at Woodford Brothers. BasementBrothersRadio.com.